And right here I have a heavy duty hose holder, and I wanted to show you this really quick before I put it up, but very solid, and like it says, heavy duty. This will hold anything. You could wrap up 100 feet of hose on this, no problem, but also you could use it as a rack. So it comes with everything you need. It comes with mounting screws, an anchor. You could drill this into a concrete wall, into wood or whatever, put it into a tree. And then you could hold other things as well. But I'm going to mount this on a post and hang up a hose. Let's do that right now. So I've got a water spigot right here, and then I have nowhere to really put this hose. It's just always in the way. So why don't we mount it to this post right here? So with the supplied screws, we'll just mount this right here in the middle of this post. Super strong and durable. That's going to hold a lot. And this is just a short hose, but like I said, you could easily put on a 100-foot hose on this hose holder. Super strong. It's going to do what you want. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.